Yeah, anything I wear, she wants to, like, she will try to lift up my sweater. What are you doing? Just don't peck at my belly, okay? Because it doesn't feel good. She's done it before. What? Yeah, you're lifting it up, huh? Oh. No. You can't get in there. It's my business in there. You don't need to be in there. Yeah, I know you want to be playful, but I know I'm talking a little trash about you. She gets a little ornery. Go finish your watermelon.